Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company with a very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1983 Yamaha XT600 Ténéré, and it was subject to a full nut and bolt restoration, and this bike could be yours for just £1.99. If you fancy a ticket on this one, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and the draw will take place on the 1st of March, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So yeah, what do we have here? Like I said, this is a 1983 Yamaha XT600 Ténéré. It was subject to a full nut and bolt restoration. It was imported into the UK from South Africa in 2022. When it came into the country, the restoration started and it was finished in 2024. Full nut and bolt restoration, like I said, engine's been stripped, rebuilt. It's been down to the frame's been painted, suspension rebuilt, all the paint's been done, rims. So yeah, mechanically very good. It's been used since the restoration, so it's not perfect, but it's probably the best Ténéré I've ever seen, and it's definitely the best one we've ever had on our website. Really nice with those gold rims. We've got some gold handlebars as well. Lovely red seat, really sets it off nicely. So what we'll do now, start her up. We've had it going already, so it's not cold, so we will rev it a little bit, so don't worry. I've got a fuel tap here. There's also a choke under here that you've got to thread your hand up to get to it. And your ignition key at the top, so that just needs to be on. This is a kickstart only example. And it's quite a tall bike. I think the last guy was quite a tall gentleman. Really nice, soft, comfy seat for those long adventures. And you've got your big 28-litre tank as well. So yeah, really cool machine. So what you need to do when you, to start this, it's got an automatic decompression system, so you need to put your foot all the way to the top and you'll hear a click. You probably won't be able to hear it with my microphone up here, but it's kind of how you know you get it in the right position. Like clicks like that. You bring your foot to the top, give it a swing, and hopefully it'll start. There we are, easy as that. So like I said, it's been fully rebuilt, the engine, so it's nice and smooth. Have a little listen. There we are, super clean example. A 1983 Yamaha XT600 Ténéré can be yours for just £1.99. Like I said, if you fancy a ticket, it's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. This draw will take place on the 1st of March, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. If you do enter, thank you as always for your support and good luck.